Hello guys, welcome to TV commercial motion graphic in Adobe After Effects. The most important part in motion graphics is how to create title or juice bottle TV commercial. So let's start. Double click here and go to import the materials like this, the bottle and another three PNG. So guys, take a look. I'm gonna drop the bottle right here, and don't forget, take a look. The composition size is HD. I need to write here final com, and now select the bottle and create the camera. Select the camera 20 millimeters. Click OK. Select again. Press F4. Turn on the 3D switch. Turn on the 3D switch, and now select a piece of the orange. Turn on 3D and press W to rotate, and select another pieces, drop here and rotate like this. Select another pieces, turn on the 3D and press S for scale down like this. So guys, and now there is the first layer is bottle, and go to top view like this. Select the bottle and move forward, and there is your camera lens, and select another piece, set here, select another piece, set here, and select the last one, set here. So, and now I need to move the camera, select all pieces without bottle, select another, press Ctrl D, duplicate, set here, select the camera, and go back to camera view. Rotate and select another one. Select this one, set here, and rotate like this, small, and set this one here. Okay guys, and now select dolly tool. Not bad, looks better, and go back to top view. Take a look, select all of them. Once more, I need copy, Ctrl D, duplicate, move here, and go back to camera view. Take a look, select this piece, make smaller, set here, and rotate this one, rotate this one, and make little bit small size and rotate like this. So guys, go to camera layer and go to layer camera 1, turn on depth of field, focus, stop, blur label, turn on, nice one. Click OK. And now how to rotate. Take a look. Create a new null object. It's very easy to animate the camera. Select the null object, parent link to camera. Take a look. When you move the null object, you'll see nothing. Let's try like this. Go to select the camera, parent link the camera to the null, and move the null object as created. And now turn on the 3D for the null object. Go to second one and press R for the rotate. Rotate Z axis like this. Stopwatch, press P for the position and go to 1 second 15 frames for the animate. Press R, change this one to 0, press P or the move like this. Great. So guys, and now I need to see the final result of animate. Select all, turn on the motion blur. Nice one. Select again, press P, slowly rotate like this, and select the bottom layer, make little bit smaller, and now go back to null object, press P, hold control, zoom in slowly, and press U for all keyframes. Select the rotation, move the rotation here, and change to 0. Good. So guys, and now let's play again. Great. Okay guys, and now time to create the background. Press Ctrl Y right here, background. Click OK. And create for the background ramp effect. Click here. Radio ramp, double click. Change the radio, set to center, and make a green bright background with the dark green. Brighter and darker. Okay. Select the dark point to make little closer. And select all of them. Hold Control to deselect the background solid and move another layer top of the background. And now here you can see play. Select the null object, press U for the keyframes. Select all keyframes, hold Alt key, make faster like this. Here is. Okay guys, and now I need to make a reflection to here. Select the bottle PNG, press Ctrl D, press W, hold shift to rotate 180 degree and move down right there. Go to effect and preset. Once again, go to window, reset effect, and right here, linear, wipe, double click and rotate. Hold Control. Here you can see the reflection in bottle. Nice work. So guys, select again the null object, press U for the keyframes and make more a little bit faster. And let me save the project to desktop, save, and play. Let's play the final result. Great. Right click on keyframes, make easies. Okay guys, this was about camera animation and how to create 2 or 3 seconds of motion graphics for TV commercials by using Adobe After Effects without any plugins. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.